number of colors, and that printing is done in a better way. After printing is the most important thing, that's the binding and cutting section, where after a book or a material or a paper is produced, it goes to the binding section where the unnecessary part of the papers are cut and they are bound together in bringing out with a finished product of a magazine or a newspaper. Let us now see in detail about these various steps, these various processes that happen in this printing press, starting from the designing part, 3D animation, 3D printing, and followed by it 2-color printing, 4-color printing, 3-color printing, and final part is the binding and the cutting section where a book is produced. Let's see them in detail.
Our group went to Selection Institute of Graphic Art, also called as SIGA Printing Press, and knowing about the process of printing, now I am going to explain about the primary colors and secondary colors and how they mix it. Primary colors are 3: blue, red, green, and secondary colors are cyan, magenta, yellow, black. The mixes of secondary colors then give the primary colors. Example, you can mix the cyan and magenta, you can get blue. Then you mix the magenta and yellow, you can get red. Then cyan and yellow, you can get green. You mix the 3 colors, cyan, magenta and yellow, you can get black color. Printing press only uses 3 inks only. These are cyan, magenta and yellow. Only they uses 3 inks only. We saw that, and they explained more about the printers, and they said the costly printing press we have, that cost maybe 5 crore or something else. Then it's imported from Italy. Thank you.
Hello sir, I am going to explain about 3D printer. The main purpose of the 3D printer is to create 3-dimensional solid objects. This 3-dimensional solid objects is achieved by additive methods. Additive methods is nothing but it uses up the thinly sliced horizontal cross sections of eventual objects. Thus 3D printing is opposite to other printing. The other printing uses the subtractive method, which is cutting down the waste materials of plastics, papers like that. And it is very useful and it saves time compared to the old traditional method of printing. There are many ways in which 3D printing can be done. They are 3D scanners, apps, haptic devices, and 3D modeling softwares. However, in the industrial visit where we went, they were using 3D softwares. This software is available both free and paid. They suggest for the beginners Tinkercad. The name of the software is Tinkercad, and they are suggesting it for the beginners. It will be useful for them to develop more. The 3D printing has grown very fast and it's very helpful in industrial sectors. It helps them to do a small model of what they are going to prepare in a large scale manufacturing. Some of the examples of 3D printing are consumer products, industrial products, dental products, and movie props, etc.
I'm reading UCO 073. Let me talk about the color printing. What is color printing? Color printing is nothing but reproductions of a text or image to color. It is called monochronic printing. Monochronic printing is at different levels. First type, 2 color printing, 4 color printing, 6 color printing, 8 color printings, and so on. Let me talk about the 2 color printing. 2 color printing is nothing but use one more than one color to prepare the printing is called 2 color printing. Already you know that. And then in 2 color printing, two various combinations of colors is they were used. First one is Pantone color. Pantone colors is used for frequently they were used for preparing the designs, symbols, and so on for a particular business activities. And then second and then the Pantone colors is a industrialized standard one. So many business magnates and business industrializations prefers that the two color printings. It gives extract look to the designs whatever have done. So various industrializations prefers the two color printings. And then spot color. What is spot color? Spot color is nothing but the two combinations of a black and white color. And one more option is there. The black and white color can add one color, but that color other than the Pantone color, it must important one. It is the spot color. Let me move to the advantages of a two color printing. Two color printing, what advantages is there? Having a more multi-purpose activities to top level of business to lower level of vendors. And then it is less expensive than the four color printing, and give the high quality appearance and the looks. And then having a three major colors. The one is bright orange, navy blue, metallic. If you have done that particular three colors, not have get that four color printing, what you have get from the two color printing. And then let me move to disadvantages of a color printing. First disadvantage is at most times of a two color printing is expensive than the four color printing. And then it's not given. You doesn't have got the full colored pictures and the various colors, many color combination pictures, because two color printing is a Pantone colors and spot colors. We can use that particular two colors. That's it. And then how to convert the CMYK. Please make ensure that we are not done that, but we have done what you have to done. Nobody wouldn't done that, because it gives the exact look and exact appearance, and then what you have to done. So it's introduced your designs, logos. It may be a copied one. And then one more simple option is there in two color printing. That one is if you choose the four color printing, you can add that two spot colors. You can add that two spot colors. If you add the two spot colors, gives the interesting look and a good appearance to that your design, and unique appearance to your design.
My department number 18UCO022. My topic 4 color printer machine. 4 color process printing is a system where color image is separated into 4 different color values. By the use of different filters and screens, this used to be done with the photographic and films on graphic arts cameras, but it's usually done with digital with software now. The result is the color separation of 4 images is then the color inks of cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Reproduce the original images as the entire spectrum of the colors are reproduced is just a process in the color. The color code printing is the process is unnecessary. The use is the graphic arts and commercial industry reproduction of the images and text. CMYK process printing features. It used some 4 standardized based colors on the time: cyan, magenta, yellow and black. The small dots of the colors are printed the different analyzers to create the printed image. The most widely used, the cost-effective color system is commercial printing. It is a significant cheaper than the tons-based digital printing for the larger quality runs. 4 color printing machine details. Types: automatic and semi-automatic. Colors: multicolors, 2 colors and 3 colors and 4 colors. Usages: bill printing, card printing, cloth printing, label printing and paper printing. Printing wide. Minimum size 0.5 minimum and maximum size 20 to 25 inches. The application of the machines: invitation cards and wedding cards, stationery items and letter pads, envelope printing, question paper, sticker sheet, magazines and tablets and newspaper, decut, carry bags, promotional bags and lamination sheets. 4 color silent features. Fully automatic in the machine and superior technology and touchscreen panel and perfect registration of the papers and a vacuum front feeder, cut-off value system, front loading system, short change over time, powder spray and quick drying, anti-static system and chain delivery system. It is the part of system is features of the machine.
Hello sir, I am going to explain about the 8 color offset printing system. So first of all, if you see the 4 color offset, it has 4 colors: cyan, magenta, yellow and black. So the 4 color printing system has these 4 colors, and if we come to the 8 color printing system, it has 8 colors which is added to these 4 colors which the 4 color printing system has. So the extra 4 colors which was added is light cyan, light magenta, light yellow and light black. Just the light colors of all these 4 colors which you have seen in the 4 color offset printing system. So it has some extra features which the 4 color printing system does not have. So it is the modern technique of printing which many of the institute or printing press which was running. So the 8 color printing system has some advantages. It ensures the overall look and the resolution is increased, producing finer images. We all know if the resolution is good, the picture will be perfect. It also produces vivid and crisp colors. It reduces graininess and it also ensures a smooth gradient transition. So we all know that the 8 color printing system uses 4 diluted colors added to the 4 dark colors, that is the cyan, magenta, yellow and black. So the person we met during our industrial visit has explained about digital dark or light 8 color printing system. So it is used by many of the printing press in the present generation. It ensures the image quality of any picture so that the customers get satisfied with the clarity of the image. This dark or light 8 color printing system has many advantages and effectiveness which fulfills the expectation of the customers. When summarizing the 8 color printing system, we can come to a conclusion that it is more beneficial than the 4 color printing system and the 6 color printing system. As we discussed earlier, it has many advantages like it produces good resolution images, and it produces vivid and crisp colors. It reduces the graininess of the images. So these are some advantages which makes us to go forward for the 8 color printing system. So we can clearly come to a conclusion that the 8 color printing system has more advantages than that of 4 and 6 color printing system. So personally, I had a very good experience with our industrial visit. The person we met there, he was very soft spoken and explained each and every aspect of those printing systems neatly to each and every one of us. So I learned even more about the printing press during our industrial visit. So thank you.
Hello friends, my topic is binding and cutting. Binding is the definition is binding is a general term for any of various methods of securing or binding together the loose pages or sections of a book or booklet using stitching, staplers, wire, plastic, tape or glue. Um, when paper clips want to, if you are printing a booklet, book or multi-page report, you need to plan how you will put together the finished proud before you set up your document in your page layout program. You can choose from several binding methods, each with its own pros and cons depending on the purpose of the document, need for durability and best appearance. Compo binding. Compo binding definition is compo binding definition is a method of securing loose printed pages using a piece of plastic with teeth that fit into regulator holes in the paper. Compo binding is somewhat similar to wire spiral binding, also known as plastic compo binding. Next, spiral binding. Definition. Spiral binding is a method of securing loose printed pages using single or double loop wire or plastic that fit into round or regulator holes in the pages. Spiral binding is often used for blank notebooks and for reports that generally have a short shelf life. Spiral binding also the publications to lay flat when opened. Next, definition of saddle stitched. Saddle stitched is a method of securing loose printed pages with a staplers down the middle of a flattened shape of papers. Many booklets are stitched. Side stitching is a similar method where the pages are slapped about 1/4 from pages in soft or hard covered book with rings that hold the pages through holes punched in the pages. Examples: ring binding is often used for procedural manuals or documentation. Next, cutting. Uh, tie cutting. Tie cutting is a great way to have your printed piece stand out from the crowd, while your range of paper stocks, colors, and finishes are wide and extensive. Die cutting offers a unique option to customize your print job and really make a statement. Die cutting is the process of cutting a piece of paper or material to a custom shape and size. It is created by using a sharp steel blade which is formed into a specific shape, then cut through the paper. It is cut on special machinery and creates a scrapes smooth edge which offers a consistent and very specific cut. The options and shapes are almost limitless
and the cut from or tie is customized for the piece it is creating. Typically used for presentation folders, business cards, boxes, and specialty shapes for brochures. The options are extensive depending on your project. The products you can use tie cuts on a wide ranging and it is a great way to get creative. The benefit of using a tie cut is it will grab the attention of a potential customer. It only takes a few seconds for someone to evaluate and from an opinion of your business based on your printed material. So, looking at unique finishing options such as die cutting will certainly make your stand out from the crowd. Thank you.
So, having heard the process that are involved in preparing a magazine, a book, or a paper, let's see what are the things that are happening in this institution, in this printing press, in a regular basis. From the month of June till the month of August, the printing press focuses on preparing calendars for the different schools and colleges. The months from September to October are the period where the printing press call themselves to be in a dry period where only some of religious magazines that are given to them in a contract are only prepared. From the month of November to the month of January, different calendars are produced for the new year to different various schools and institutions. From the month of February till the March or April, the notebooks are prepared for the next academic year. So this is a regular routine this is the routine work that happens in this press, where the press is in contact preparation of notebooks, magazines, brochures, calendars, and all the other things. Apart from this, they have also ventured into preparing the answer scripts for different colleges and different schools. Regarding the profit, the director of the printing press says that they get a reasonable amount of profit, but their intention is not just profit alone. That's what the director of the printing press said. Rather, they are very much concerned of how the students who are working there and studying there get benefited, so that they learn something to get uplifted in life. And so the ultimate aim of this institution, of this printing press, is not just profit, but to enhance the students who are studying there and working there. With regard to the internships which we asked, he told us that earlier students were taken up, students were encouraged to do internships there, but of recent past the internship is not very much encouraged because of the lack of staff to coordinate the students who are coming for industrial visits. But the director of the printing press is very much happy and very much welcoming and encouraging the students to make the industrial visits. And when we asked whether will we get a chance, he also promised us that we are very much welcome to do the industrial visit there. And so to conclude, this industrial visit made us to think that the words which we write, the words which we read are not just words, but they are truths. Words can change life. And so this printing press, this printing is an art, not just an art, but it speaks about the truth, where many readers, many of us come to know what the reality is. So therefore, printing is the most effective and a very powerful means in which we can communicate to various people in this world. And this printing press serves both to share information and to also make the readers to know the reality, to to open up their minds and open up their hearts. So therefore, this printing press not just print the words in the paper, but they print the truth and press the hearts of the readers to come out with a proper decision of what they have to do, what they are to do, and what they can do. Thank you. So at this juncture, we as a group would like to thank our English professor for giving us this chance to make the industrial visit, and we in a special way would like to thank the Institute of SIGA, the director, the rector, and the principal of the Polytechnic College for giving us the permission to make our industrial visit there, to come to know about what printing is all about, and how printing is done in different levels, that is starting from designing, the 3D printer, the 2-color printer, the 4-color printing, 8-color printing, and the cutting and the binding of books, which was an eye-opener for us. So we are very much grateful for the institution and the director who gave us this opportunity to make the best part, to make use of the best part of our industrial visit. So thanks to our professor, to the staff at SIGA, and to all my companions for making this industrial visit a fruitful one. Thank you once again.